guys can have a see. So these are the letters for today, right? So these are the ones. Have a look at those. We're going to start from the top right hand corner, and then we're going to learn it all the way to the bottom left hand corner, inshallah. So ja, ja. So make your mouth like this. Ja, ja. Say it with me. Ja, ja. J, J. So say it with me. J, J. Ju, Ju. Say it with me. Ju. Okay, next. Sh, sh. Say it with me. Sh, sh. And the next one. She, she. So now notice my mouth. Okay, so it's shh. So like you're saying to someone, quiet. Shh, shh. Say it with me. She, she. Okay, the next one. Shoo, shoo. So again, shoo, round mouth. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Next one. Na, na. Say it with me. Na, ni, ni. Say it with me. Ni. Okay. And again, ni. Nu, nu. So nu, na, ni, nu. Nu, nu. Okay, next one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the next one. Yi, yi. Say it with me. Ye, ye. Okay, so like you're saying to someone, yeah, but ye, ye. And you, you. Like you're saying to someone, you, 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 you. Okay, say again. You. Right, let's try another one. Da. Now this is a bit difficult, okay? So you gotta practice this. Da. Da. So you get your tongue. Da. Behind your teeth. And da. 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 Say it with me. Da. Da. And then di. 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 It's a bit difficult. This is probably the most difficult letter that you're ever going to come across. Don't worry. I find it difficult. Other people find it difficult as well. Di. Di. Okay. Do. Do. Now again, the same. You only get the tongue behind the teeth. Do. Okay. And la. Say it with me. La. 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 So watch your mouth. La. 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 And li. Li. Say it with me. Li. Okay, next. Lu. Lu. Say it with me. Lu. 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 Next one. Ra. 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 It looks funny, I know, me doing it, but have a go. Ra. Ra. So now you know, like a lion. Ra. Okay, so have a go. Ri. 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 Again, smile. And ri. Ri. Again, ri. Ru. 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 Yeah, so ra. Ri. Ru. Ra. Ri. Ru. 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 Okay. To. To. Have a go. To. 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 Okay. Ti. Again. It's like the ta, but ti. Ti. T. And again, have a go. T. T. And tu. 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 Like you're speaking at someone. Tu. 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 So try not to get this confused with tu. Tu. This is tu. 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 Okay, so these are the letters that we covered today. So we have ja over here. It's the first one. You have ji, ji, and ju, ju. Ja, ji, ju. And you have sha, shi, shu. And ya, yi, and you. And da, di, du. And la, li, lu. And na, ni, nu. And ra, ri, ru. And ta, ti, tu. Okay, let's see if you guys have understood this now. Now, if you can't remember this, go back, play it back again, and watch it again until you understand it. Okay, so let's have a little test. See if you guys can work this out. Say it when you see it. So when you see one of the letters highlighted with the red, then say it. Okay, so have a go at this. G. That would have been G. Next one. Have a go at this one. Sha. Sha. Okay, let's try another one then. Have a go at this one. Ya. Ya. Let's have a go at this one then. Ra. 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 Okay, let's have a go at this one. Ta. 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 Okay, have a go at this one. You. 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 Have a go at this one. Ni. Ni. And have a go at this one. Ri. 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 Okay, thank you very much, guys. Jazakumullah khair for watching this video, and I hope you guys have really benefited. And if you have any sort of questions at all, please put them in the comments below, because it's through your comments that I can improve my videos, the future videos that I make. I can make them much better, inshallah, so that it's tailored and designed for you guys, and inshallah I'll get the reward, and whoever was involved will get reward as well. So this is why, if you want to support this channel, if you want me to make more videos, high quality videos, better videos, then please think about becoming one of my patron. You can support me monthly, and anything that you give, it can be at $1, whatever you want to give, it will help me make much more better videos. It reaches more people, and it's all free of charge, alhamdulillah. So thank you very much, and a special thanks to all of my patrons. You guys know all who you are. And I always say this, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you lots of blessings and barakah and happiness in your life. Jazakumullah khair. And I will see you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.